day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Tuesday, September 5th, 1923. It is 3:02 and 16 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, Oxygen 28. So let's come to it here. Exploring light neutron-rich nuclei, first observation of Oxygen 28, date August 30th, 1923. Source, Tokyo Institute of Technology. The neutron-rich oxygen isotopes, oxygen 27 and oxygen 28, exist as very short-lived resonances, report scientists based on the first observation of their decay into oxygen 24 and 3 and 4 neutrons, respectively. Notably, the oxygen 28 nucleus is found not to be doubly magic, as expected in the standard shell model picture. The study provides valuable insights into the nuclear structure. The study's success was enabled by the capabilities of the Riken high beam factory, which could produce intense beams of unstable nuclei coupled to an active, targeted thick liquid, hydrogen, and multiple neutron detection arrays. The proton-induced nucleon knockout reactions from a high-energy 29F beam generated the neutron-unbound isotopes 27O and 28O. The researchers observed these isotopes and studied their properties by directly detecting the decay products. They found that both 27O and 28O exist as narrow low-lying resonances and compared the decay energies to the results of sophisticated theoretical models, a large-scale shell model calculation, and a newly developed statistical approach based on effective field theories of quantum chromodynamics. Most theoretical approaches predicted higher energies for both isotopes. Specifically, statistical coupled cluster calculations suggested that the energies of 27O and 28O could provide valuable constraints for the interactions considered in such ab initio approaches. The researchers also investigated the cross-section for the production of 28O from the 29F beam, finding it to be consistent with 28O, not exhibiting a closed n equals 20 shell structure. This result suggests that the island of inversion, whereby the energy gap between neutron orbitals weakens or vanishes, extends beyond the fluorine isotopes 28F and 29F into the oxygen isotopes. The present findings enhance our understanding of nuclear structure by offering new insights, especially for extremely neutron-rich nuclei. In addition, a detailed investigation of multi-neutron correlations and the study of other exotic systems now become possible with multi-neutron decay spectroscopy technique utilized here. Let us hope that future research unravels many more mysteries surrounding nuclei. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.